double stops on violin is not easy. I'm sure you know that. But with a certain training and certain approach, you can improve your double stops game on violin significantly. I discussed this, on my Patreon page and also on YouTube membership site, and I hope to see you there soon. I will upload some walkthrough videos about double stops technique and how you can improve your double stops situation. I hope to see you there soon. Thank you so much.